You know those Ray-Ban Meta glasses? They've been getting a lot of attention lately, and honestly for good reason. They look just like regular sunglasses, but they can play music, take calls, snap photos and videos, and even answer your questions. It's like having a smart assistant on your face in the most stylish way possible. But here's where it gets interesting. According to Mark Gurman, Meta is cooking up something even crazier for the next version. And if you remember, we talked about this in one of our earlier Meta Ray-Ban videos. Yep, the ones with built-in displays. Definitely check those out if you haven't already. Now, Gurman says Meta's aiming to launch them by October, and they're going all in. Built-in display, app support, the whole deal. We're talking over $1,000 for these things, and yeah, I know the current ones don't even have a screen, but they still feel futuristic. They can describe what you're looking at, and the latest update can live translate conversations. It's wild. Still, being able to check your photos or videos on the spot, that's something I'd actually use. The display has to be subtle though. Placement's everything. Those other smart glasses with tiny screens you have to awkwardly glance up at, yeah, they make you look like you're constantly rolling your eyes. Hard pass. Gurman does mention the launch could slip past October, but still, the current Ray-Ban Meta glasses have already been a pretty big win. They're one of the few smart gadgets that don't scream, "I'm wearing tech," and actually look like something you'd wear just for the style. What's even crazier, Apple still hasn't dropped a competitor. You'd think with how much they love blending tech and fashion, they'd be all over this by now. Anyway, the new Ray-Ban Meta glasses sound super promising. And with Apple apparently working on something too, smart glasses are about to get a whole lot more interesting. For more updates, subscribe, catch you in the next one.